Hopefully we see you guys downriver.
There's Holden kayaking. The current is like almost nothing out here. It's very deep, very slow.
I'm fighting so hard.
No, you're not. What do you think, bud? It's cool?
Yeah. I'm fighting so hard against the current.
He's fighting so hard against the current. The current's going like less than 1 mile an hour.
Turn back around.
You can turn around. Okay, go ahead. There you go. Just maintain your balance, okay? That's the whole thing. Just maintain your balance. Don't make sudden moves, because you make really sudden moves, that's when you flip.
Can we keep going?
Yeah, let's go. Just taking a little video of you. Not even paddling right now. The wind's just taking us. How you doing over there, buddy?
Good.
Yeah? You did great on this trip, man.
Yeah.
It's been an adventure, I'll tell you what.
Too bad we didn't get the meat. You got stuck, and then my kayak swooped down the waterfall, and then I hit him, and then he fell on me.
I mean, if we had a GoPro going that whole time, then we might have been able to capture all that, but without a GoPro, there's no way you could be holding a camera in your hand and doing the river at the same time. It's just, you're just way too busy. I'm coming. Go ahead, buddy. I'll get you paddling. I already did.
Fine.
Holden lost a shoe. He's got one bare foot. The other shoe is at the bottom of the Verde River. There's more rapids coming up, really?
Yes.
Like bad ones?
Not that one.
It's yeah, I can hear the rapids coming. All right, we better put the phone away.